All right, are we cooking? Are we cooking? We're cooking. Thank you guys for joining me again. We're cooking. I don't know if you heard. Is what I had AI create for me. It's a full landing page. And what we're doing is it's a Divi build. And what we're doing is we're testing out to see if we can use HTML classes to help make this a little easier to build. That's the idea. I think it's good. All right. So let's get going. We're on this section here. What's next? Okay. We have some instructions. Those pages are added. Where are you? Okay, green border. Now I need to add product title to the CSS class, so we're going to do that. Should be in there. Okay. Still didn't really work out for us. Refresh the page. Let's have a chat with this. Grab my glasses. Let's see. Right, we are cooking. Let's get it going. Okay. Let's add a new one. So it wants us to do a little test on text. Here's the content. And class product title. Didn't work. Yeah, inline works. Method 2 works. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So we have this optimized. I'm going to ask it to stop here, and that's because what we're going to do is we're going to switch it. What we're building off of is I got all the instructions added to this right here. This is really easy to do because all you really need to do is set it up so that way I'll show you. I created a folder on my desktop, okay? Folder on desktop, and then I open up Claude to go into that folder in desktop, and that's how I had it, make all of these different things for the pages. Now, the easy part, what people would tell you, let's just record a little bit of this actually, because this might be something that I'm going to turn into something later. So, let's see, audio, video, hotkeys. 。 . 。 . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Yeah, I think it'll be okay. Okay, so what's happened here is we clearly had something. This is how you pretty much, you can take a website from something that Claude AI will like put out for you. You take that and you turn it into something which is a little more handy and useful for kind of what we're up to. The point here is that Claude, when you ask it to, create an HTML CSS page for you, it's going to pump out something like this, which is like super code heavy, right? It'll kind of break everything out. It'll give you steps. I asked it to give us steps. So you can see here, step 1, add these. And then you'll see here, step 2, you start to design everything out, right? And because it's an HTML, you can just click on it and it will give you full pages like this. Now, what happened was, if you try to just copy and paste this, I'll show you, for example, if you take something like this and you just try to straight up copy and paste it into a page, it just doesn't work. It's not going to work for you. You're going to be eating it. You're going to be wasting a lot of time like I did this morning. But I knew there was a solution involved. I just didn't know what the solution looked like. And now you can see this here is set up. So I kind of went back and forth. I added this, and then, I went and I added its class title, and I was trying to make all these solutions for it, and it never really worked out for me. But now we're kind of coming into something a little different here. What the solution ended up being was we tested a couple different use cases. We just tried a couple different solutions, right? And this is what we came up with. Right. I'm just going to say, create a new file in the folder for me to use for this page. Following these best practices. Right. So now what it's going to do is, I'm on Claude Sonnet 4. I don't know how much all you guys care about that stuff, but just so you know, that's a vibe. I don't know how to use a keyframe frequency. Output menu. Okay, we're going to change this. I have a small error. Looks like. Okay. In the output settings, so preferences, output, yes. I think that's a little better. All right, that should work eventually. I think 4 is pretty good. We'll see how that works. But we're at it either way. All right. Okay. I don't know what a keyframe is, but I'm going to give it plenty of space to do what it wants to do. Anyways, so now that we have this solved, now it's going to pump out this file for me. And it's going to tell me where it is. Hydrogen inline styles MD. So now I'm going to crack this open here. You can see I'm in hydrogen inline styles MD. Kind of hard to see, but it is there. I'll move this a little bit. I'm acting like the main character, and it's because I am. If you stayed this long, please hit me a like, subscribe. Thank you for making the channel what it is. All of my new subscribers, you guys are freaking awesome. I can't believe you guys are like actually hanging out with me and watching this stuff. I super appreciate it. With that said, this is what it is now. So here's our new instructions, which is pretty awesome. Okay. So product showcase. So now we're going to go just like this in the right column. I'm going to grab all this, check. So in the text module, all of this. I grab that. We're going to go back here. Go into this text module. We're going to delete this one that wasn't working. Go into here. Go to text. Here we go. That is cool. That is working. Oh, that works so good. Left column, easy enough. It's a little wide. Let's mess around with it. Alignment's left. Sizing, module alignment. Did that fix it? Yes. Let's check that and let's save our draft. Okay. Oh, see, so, okay, section 3 is done. Section 4, how it works. Let's have a look at how section 4 is laid out. Interesting. Is that it? I think that's it. Okay. So on a header text module, regular section, background, header text module, and then 3-column row. Okay, let's go. Here's blue, add a section, text module, go to text, get rid of that, paste that. I don't think it likes the HTML. So we're gonna get rid of that. Oh, awesome. Now it wanted a 3-section module, 33 each, yep, column 1. Oh, great. Column 2. So now we're turning this legit just straight into, you know, exactly what we want it to be. We're translating this into Divi as a best practices. Anyways, if you guys like this, if you want to try it yourself or whatever, thank you. If you've watched this far, you're an absolute legend. Please hit the like, comment, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know what you want me to do next. I'm literally down to like work on whatever you guys think is great. All right. So there was the cut. 12.9 error, keyframe frequency. Okay, 4 seconds or less. I thought more would be better. Okay. Output, keyframe, 4, apply. Done. I'm doing everything you say, YouTube. Please make it happen. Anyways, we're going to keep on building this landing page. Let's go. Column 3. Sick. Okay. Next. Section 5. What's included? Regular section white. Does this have a background to it? It did. It had a background color of F1, F5, F9. Let's add that. Background, color, save. Okay. Now let's go into here. Let's add another one. What is this section? This is a regular white header in a 3-row. Okay. Text. Okay, we are cooking. Do I have audio? Do I not have audio? Oh, I do have audio. Okay. I think my audio is pretty solid. I am thinking about turning on some tunes. I don't know if you guys are into that kind of stuff. Let's see if I'm allowed. Can I play lo-fi hip hop on my YouTube stream? Ah. Oh. Live stream. Name. Advertising. Brand name is what's our phone number? Stream building. Okay, it wants my phone number so I can apply to. So I want to play this tunage in the back. I think that this is pretty good. So I'm just thinking about like adding this. Like that's kind of the play. Let me grab my phone. I have a number just for this. Let's see. Just want to get some of this rolling. I think is good. Yeah, health is excellent. Great. Anyways, I think the worst thing that's going to happen is it's not really working. Anyways, that's fine. Okay, let's finish getting this build out. ADHD's taking over a little bit. Where was I? We did this. Are we into the next section? Regular section white. Cool. Great. And now let's come down here. We got 3 column rows. Let's make a 3 column row. Check. Text. Great. 1. 2. 3. Oh, this is so easy compared to what I was dealing with before. Yeah, this is the best, guys. Literally, once you get it sorted out of like what you have to do, I mean, you're cooking, right? Like, that's the point. I wouldn't mind getting this over and switching it so I'm looking at you guys a little more, but I mean, it kind of is what it is right now. Like this and look that way, maybe. Is that like cooler, maybe? I guess so. Okay, come down here. Testimonial section. Regular. Here's a color. Okay, testimonial section. Text. And we'll just edit the section first. So the section has a background color. Let's get to the background color. Background, global, F1, F9, a lot of stuff. Now the header text module. Great. Now 2 column with 50-50 each. Let's add that. Great. Here's the first one. Text. Oh, I missed one. All right, now we're going here. Ding dong. Bingo, bango, bongo, baby. We're cooking. We are cooking. You're gonna put on like something. I don't know. This is kind of cool. Okay. Stats row, text module. Okay. And now let's go here. What? Not that. Silly. Edit. Text. All. Oh. All. Paste. Okay. Section 7. Background color is a little different. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, some color. I like it. Okay. Text align center. Oh, that looks good. Okay, and then we're gonna go disclaimer, text module. Let's go normal. Text. Medical disclaimer. We are cooking. Okay. Maybe we need some tags in here. Using Claude 4 to build on. Using Claude 4 to build on Divi. Make it super clickbaity. I also need tags for the description, something like learn AI and lab code with me. Cool. We are updating this, guys. Let's go like this. No. Allow automatic chapters. Tags. Description title language is English. Recording date today. Stream location, New York. Save. Cool. Okay. Let's get back into this a little bit. Because we are cooking. Copy that. Come in here, text. Oh, I do not like that as a medical case. So let's have a look at this. Let's go. You. Let's go. Claude. Okay, I don't like this medical terminology, so I'm just gonna try to do some research and update it. Also promoting this product like Oxygena. So less offensive, I think. Let's go like that. Cool. Now we're cooking. All right. Yeah, we need a better medical disclaimer. Let's see here. I need the code. Let's do that. This medical disclaimer is a little aggressive. I just don't like it. I don't think it's going to serve us very much. Let's get in here. Yeah. Dope. Okay, that's at least better. I'll take that all day over whatever we had before. Now let's get back into this. Section 9, order section. Text module. I think it's a single one across the board. Cool. Now, frequently asked questions, accordion module. Background color, accordion settings. Okay, so background color F1, F5, F9. But the accordion settings are a little different. Let's see this. Accordion settings, background color. Oh, where are you? Come on. Toggle text color, toggle background color. Okay, toggle. I don't see a toggle background color. Toggle, here it is. Global. Whoa. What is the toggle background color? 13A. Oh, let's go there. Okay. And then toggle text color white, body background color, text alignment, title text, body text white, and I don't know. I think this is a bit of a pain in the ass to build. I'm just going to sub that out. I don't like building these sections. Let's change it to just text section. Copy and paste. Ah! Damn it. Okay, let's just start a new chat then. I don't know why it's such a pain, man. Just run out of like, okay, so let's go back into projects. Let's go to advertising strat and be like, review this folder. We are continuing a conversation about it. Should be able to rip through and kind of like do something. Okay, no, that's not it. Folder is on my desktop. Use an MCP to check it out. Come on. Come on, let me talk. Let me talk, dude. Let me talk. Come on. Oh my God, what are you even saying to yourself? Here we go. Okay, now we're cooking. Like you have to restart your conversation. It's like, what are you supposed to do about that? Like you gotta restart the whole thing. Now I gotta spend a bunch of credit so it can like review all the stuff we've already done so it can get like the proper coding or like whatever set up. Great, I guess, but like what a pain in the ass, man. Anyways, I hope you're watching this with some background tunes and I hope you're working too because yeah, I'm literally just like, I got some Tokyo funk rolling. I'll show you guys. This is the jam for the day. I absolutely adore this. Cats, funk, lo-fi. It's what I'm trending on right now. I hope you are also like thinking about trending on something like this. Check it out for yourself. If you jump on live right now, you can kind of sync up with what I'm listening to and pulling my hair out to. And you know, if that's something you appreciate, then we can have some fun together. I don't know. Hit me up in the chat. Let me know what you're listening to. Like, I'm happy to turn that on too. Because I love the vibes. I'm here for the immaculate vibes. Okay, back to this. Great. Okay, so now I'm going to type in this error. I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to go copy path. I'm going to go, here's the folder I'm working on. I'm working through. Have a look at the section with the accordion. It is difficult to build, so can you just rewrite it as a text section for me? There you go. Now we got that rolling. Man, I'm getting my heckin' steps in today. What are we at? Something failed. 13.95. 97. You might as well, if you're going to be sitting here vibe coding all day, might as well get your steps in. Might as well get your steps in. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Oh, we are cooking now. Beautiful. Okay. Let's go to content. Let's trash this. Let's put a text module in there. Great. Text you there. Done. Send. Okay. Frequently asked questions. Oh, and that looks so much better too. Oh, that's cool. Gradient settings. Text color white. Very simple setup for that. Implementation checklist. It's done. Test all buttons and links. Okay, let's get this last bit done. Let's get it done. All right, we are almost over. This is like what I used to have. It's still cool. Like, I did like this section. I like this section. There's stuff in here which was cool, but maybe I'll use this section. Or is there another section? Maybe this one. Just as like a shake-up, you know? If it's just going to be white text anyways. Ready to transform your health. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Jesus, is this not a text module? I don't think it is. Come on. Give me a text button. Ugh. Okay, looks like we're just doing it their way. Everything's just stupidly clickable right now. Come on, give me the option. Let's go. Where's the option? Maybe it just needs to save. All right. Okay. Give me, oh, here we go. Okay, save. We're saved, right? Exit out of that. Now give me the option. It's so weird when it does this. It's just being rowdy for no reason? Like, are you just hating? Oh, I can't even, come on. I saw something. No, it's just that. Okay, insert a layout. Insert a pre-made layout. I don't, no, I just want to add a section. Okay, well look, I think if this is saved, I think we're just gonna reset the page. Like not reset the work, just reset the page. Let's get the page chilling. Maybe it's just upset. I've just put too much work into it. It's like, oh my God, you're so productive. You've been so wildly productive on this page. Give us a second to breathe. I'm like, oh my God, I'm sorry. Yeah, called it. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Single section, CTA. Let's do the text. Okay, ready to transfer your health. Can you not like write this in like a coded way? Oh, it wasn't in there. It was in Claude. Where's my Claude? Where's my Claude? Come on. Where were you? Okay, here. Oh, is this one too gone? Rewrite this in the section. Okay, okay, okay. We're doing it. We're doing it. Where are you? We're here. Done. Now we go here. Design. Content, background, gradient, add gradient. I believe it wanted 1E3, A38A to 3B. So let's double check that. U to, I think, U. And then I think that. Oh, that looks pretty good. Let's trash this, trash this, trash this. Oh, man. So the first one took me a little while to make and figure out like the process, but now that I have the process, we're kind of like on a different playing field now. Like this is going to be much more easier for me to get through all these other ones. Like that was taking me so long to like get worked out, and now that that's done, like I'm cooking. We are cooking. Yeah. All right. This break is a little thick. Let's see if we can do that. Okay. Cool. Oh. So these breaks are a little weird. What is that about? Is there something I can do about this? Why does it have so much? Why does it have so much space underneath? Let's figure that out. I'm going to send that back. Be like, these sections have a lot of space underneath the way that we can tuck that in. The issue is the height, which creates extra space. When the content doesn't fill it, here's an updated version. Let's see how that goes. Oh, that's way better. Okay, I'm going to do that with this one. Other two sections for you to update in the same way. One, and let's grab this one. Where are you? Down here. Grab that. Hey, let me know if you guys can hear the treadmill. I'm just getting my steps in. I'm going for like my little workout sprint here. Doing sprints. Hope you guys are getting your laps in at the very least. Make sure you're exercising on a daily basis. Sitting is the new smoking. I don't know if you heard that. Here are the other two sections for you to update in the same way. Nice. Now it's going to turn these butt ugly sections into this little nicer section. Because that spacing is weird. I don't like that spacing either. Anything else? That looks kind of slim. That looks better. This looks like a lot of space here. Something missing here? Come on. There we are. Anything else? I see you. I think that's just about it. Okay, let's see what it came up with. Oh. Okay, column 2. So this is pretty much like you're just optimizing and rolling through this stuff, right? Here we go. Let's get back up here. Edit this text section. Bim bop boom bop bim bop bow. Bim bop boom bop bim bop bow. All right. Here we go. And we're cooking. Save. Okay, now we're on to, I mean, I still think that's kind of like, I would like if these were centered or at least a little more bold. But for the meantime, this really is kind of just about getting through it. So we have like another 4 pages to make, which I'll be doing with you. Remember to hit the like button. Please drop a like, subscribe. If you're having fun hanging out with me, awesome. Super appreciate it. Let's see. All right, let's see here. And then this is kind of it. Save. Now, do I need to do anything to like publish this? Trash button, maybe? What is this? Edited. Yeah, we've been on it. God, we've been on it. What is this button? What? Expert. You could what? What? Oh, that would have been nice. I really don't like this whole section, but I guess I'm responsible for it now. Whatever. Okay. Let's check out the last section here. Let's check responsiveness. How is the responsiveness looking? It's way too big. Text line center. Design. Heading text 1. I need to see this. Can you not? Thank you. Let's shrink this down a little bit. Much better. Still a little too small. I mean, this is an amazing deal. We have to make sure people can hear about it. This picture is like compressed somehow. Alignment sizing should be cover. Looks like it's contain. No. Spacing. Border, box shaders, filter, transform. Animation advanced. Damn, bro. I don't think I'm going to be able to, like... Is there some class ID on this that I'm not aware of? No. Design, sizing, full width. Could you not? Ugh. Okay, it was just like a little too hot to handle, which is fine. Okay. Tuck that in, tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in. All this stuff looks like pretty decent. This space is a little aggressive. This space is a little aggressive. That space is a little aggressive again. Like, could you not, like, God, I don't know why it's like so difficult to get these things tucked in together. Okay, whatever. We're just fine tuning the mobile experience. Okay. Save that. Now, is there a way for me to just like straight up view these? All right, so this is saved. Page 1 is done. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you. Okay. I want you to go through the other landing pages we created and set them up just like this so that we can follow the same practice for creating these landing pages and launching them. Do everything within the folder and label everything. Label the documents well, so they are easy to use. This is going to eat up a ton of credits. Like I 100% sure this is just going to be like a ton of credits. But I mean, at the end of the day, if this doesn't work out, it's going to be a pain in the ass. I don't want to come back and do this again. All right, so we were able to make all 3 versions of this page, this website. It's saved. Is there search? I don't want to search. Is there layers? I don't want layers. Is there a question mark? I don't want a question mark. Section. How do I view the page, man? Okay. Ugh. Let's add some height under there. Okay. Link. Great. What about you? Link. Great. Right. So I just need to go back to the home page. Save and exit. Please save and exit. Please don't just trash the whole thing in front of me. I would love it if you didn't trash the whole thing in front of me. Come on, baby. Save and exit. I did save. Now let me exit to the dashboard. Let's go. Here we go. Here's the pages. Hydrogen view. Does that button work? It works. I mean, this is looking pretty promising. Learn how it works. I mean, yeah. Complete kit. Complete kit does not work. See what's included. Does not work. Okay. Gonna have to edit those. Edit with Divi. It's these buttons that aren't working, and we want them to go. Let's see. Here.